Hello and welcome back to Model Maker Dave's workshop. And as you can tell by the pile of bits that's on the table in front of me, it's a Honda build update. Well, we've been doing lots of painting. The chain guard needs to have a final rub back, and I think this time, because I'm going to set the airbrush up so that I can do the wheels later on today, I think the semi-gloss black that then finally goes over this is going to come out of the airbrush. The rear mudguard assembly is together. I need to rub this back and then put another coat of black, or semi-gloss black, sorry, over it, which I think I'm going to do through the airbrush as everything will be set up. The front forks, the top halves of each fork have now been done in Vallejo steel in a dry brush fashion. There's some areas that I need to do again, which is not a problem, but it's starting to take shape. We did quite a bit of work on this last night and late into the night. I think I finished around about midnight last night, so I had a bit of a good session. The brake discs have been done with steel, but the inner fixings haven't been done yet, which I think when I do the wheels with either the burnt metal blue or burnt metal violet, I will do the same on here just so that it kind of matches in a little bit. And I think I'm probably going to go with the blue, maybe. Other bits have been painted with the steel, so we're starting to move through and get all the bits and pieces painted now. Again, steel on here. I need to go over these sections again because I know I can see I've missed bits, which is again not a problem. So that's those. The rear swing arm assembly has been cleaned up, and I had some sink marks in these areas, so I've put some squadron green in. I need to clean it off again, and then I think, just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go over with a little bit of Mr. Surfacer and then leave it until tomorrow and see what it looks like when I come back to it. As for the speedo and rev dials, they're together. There was some ejector pin marks bang in the middle of these. Thanks, Tamia. So I've got some Mr. Surfacer in there now. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to get to that with a sanding stick. Oh, and I'm not going to use a sanding stick. I might use me bit of sanding sponge and see if that cleans that up. So that's that bit done. The indicator covers, I'm pretty much happy with them. The brake light rear light cover, I'm not happy. I think it's going to get masked up, and then when I've got the airbrush going, I'm going to push some clear red through and get that done, because there's some areas that just won't cover with the brush and I don't know why. So that's that. Hopefully we will get the tank primed and sorted out with its colour. I think I'm probably going to do the spray work tomorrow rather than this afternoon, because I know there's some rugby on, so I shall be watching that. The saddle sides I'm pretty much happy with now. I think just a gentle polish just to give them a bit of a leathery look to say it's been cleaned up, and that should be pretty much done. So a short sweet update for the Honda, but as I did quite a bit of work on it, I thought I'd do a quick update video so that you guys can see what I've been up to and how I'm getting on. And it leaves me to say thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.